In this video, you will learn how you can insert or remove section break in a Word document. So what's a section break? A section break is used to create multiple sections in the same document, and each section can have its own layout or formatting. So let me tell you something, that section break is a hidden formatting symbol, and you can show or hide hidden formatting symbol by going to Home and then choose this button, show paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. This is especially useful for advanced layout tasks. I'll select this. So now I'll generate a random paragraph of almost 30 lines and then I'll hit enter. So to insert a section break, I'll just hover my mouse to layout and go to breaks, and then I'll choose section breaks, which is insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. Section break appears as dotted line, which is labeled as section break. So I'll again generate some random text of 20 lines and hit again enter. So I've told you earlier that each section has its own formatting. So if I go to the second page, I'll go to layout and then I'll choose size and I'll choose the size A4. So you can see that my first page is letter size and the second page is A4 size. And if I want to change its orientation, I'll go to the orientation and then I'll choose landscape. So now again, if I'll go to breaks and choose this option next page, and then I'll go to orientation and then choose portrait. So let me zoom out a little bit. So my first page is portrait, second page is landscape, and third page is also portrait. So that's the beauty of section break. You can have different sections of your document and each section has its own formatting and style. And last but not the least, if you want to remove the section break, just put your cursor at the very beginning of the dotted line with showing section break and then just press the del key and then again go to the previous section, put the cursor at the beginning of the dotted line and then again press the del key. So this will remove all the section breaks in your document. But one thing, keep in mind that this will also remove all the formatting of each section.